Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add friends in Instagram. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this profile icon in the bottom. So let's tap on this. Now here we can see some of the accounts we can simply follow. They are based on our contacts and email we have used. Now, if you want to specifically search for the person and follow or add as a friend, you can simply go to the search icon in the bottom. So let's tap on this. Now you can search for the friend you want to add. So here it is. Now you can simply click on follow over here. When the person follows you back, you are friends with the specific user. So this is all you can do to add friends in Instagram. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.